Hi guys, hope you're all well and enjoying the sunshine through the windows. We are gonna learn today the classical variation Bluebird. I'm gonna go through the steps with you without the music, and then we will go with them with the music so you know the tempo, and then we're gonna perform it. For the performance, I've made myself a little costume. You can do the same if you want to, if you feel like it, being a little bit creative. And then, send it to us. It will be lovely to see what you're doing, and we might be able to do a little collage and clip a trailer of like all our students and dance lovers doing our little dance. So as I said, it is the Bluebird variation from Sleeping Beauty, and I am gonna do it in the midpoint, and then I might see if my floor will fit the points. And I hope you enjoy. Yeah, so let's get started. So we will run into your space, and you put your right foot behind. Then from there, with the music, you're gonna go up. Then you're gonna go down, and then you have clap, clap, and those are like your wings, yeah? Then from there you have leg to the side on a développé. You go, what is a grand pas more than développé? Relevé, you go up, and then curl to this side. Then we do the same with the left, up, and then curl to the other side. Then we're gonna go fouette, step on your left foot, fouette with your right, up, plie, two small emboutees, the same on the other side, up, plie, emboutees. Yeah, so far so good. So we have up and fouette, ta ta fouette, ta ta. Yeah, we go again. Up, back, and then we're gonna have all the emboutees gonna run into your corner. From there, you're gonna have a chape to the second. You have 1 and 2, and your right leg goes up into the attitude, up into embouté into the retiré, and then attitude, and arrière pas de bourrée, and again échappé and échappé and up pas de bourrée, échappé and up pas de bourrée. Then from there you step on your right foot, coupé and coupé and coupé, and we're gonna go back from there. You bend your knees in a coupé behind, and you go back 2, 3, 4. Then from there, I don't have space, so it will be chaîné au petit tours, but because I don't have space, we are gonna go into a lame duck, and then the other side, 1, 2, 3, 4, lame duck. We're gonna go back. Then from here, the traditional variation will be the turns, but again, we don't have space, or at least I don't have. If you do the opposite turns. If you do not have, like I do, we are gonna go up and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, then you go 7 and 8. So you do the preparation for the opposite turn without turning, because there is no really space. Yeah, all into the retiré. Okay, it might be a little bit fast, but I haven't found one that is too slow. If it's too fast, maybe try and do it a few times without the music, and then try it with the music. Yeah, the more you practice, the easier it will be. One thing that I would like to say before we run it with the music is the arms on the échappé. You have échappé to the second, and I want the hands out like if you were fluttering with the feathers. Yeah, then we close, and the next one is going up. Your left shoulder is Your left hand is on your left shoulder and your right hand is up pointing. Yeah. Then from there you have the attitude to the front, arms up, retiré, arms in fifth and O, and then on the attitude your arms open and open fifth and O to then do the pas de bourrée. Yeah. Try to control your fifth as much as you can, and after we've done the first one, try to recut and go again and take more space. Yeah.